Hello, this is Brendan Dowdle from Construction Coordinators. It's week 2 at the Riverbend construction project, and we are putting up fence. You can see we already have fence up in the back of the property. It's going to come all the way through. You can see posts up. We're avoiding some of the trees around the front, and we'll put fence up around the front of the property along the street, and we will also surround the Pelatiah Morse Tavern. There's not a lot of activity happening this week, aside from the fence getting put up. Next week we'll start with the site work. So in the meantime, I thought I would do a little research on this house, the Pelatiah Morse Tavern, which you can see is a historical landmark. It was built in 1748 by Pelatiah Morse. I found a book on Google from 1884 that has the history of South Natick. The property was bought in 1719 as a 150-acre lot from the Native Americans. It was bought by Pelatiah's father, David Morse. Pelatiah actually held the house for many years. He lived till he was 88 years old and died in 1810. And he was described in the book as a cheerful dispenser of the good things in life. Another interesting fact about the Pelatiah house was that in May of 1775, Pelatiah held a man named Thomas Nichols during the Revolutionary War. Thomas Nichols was described in the book as aiding the British. We learned this from the book because he submitted something to, must have been probably, my guess, the Continental Congress, to try to get reimbursed for holding the man. That's it for this week. We'll see you next week. Next week, again, we'll have site work started, so we'll have machines on the property. See you next week.